This 2015 Coachmen Chaparral 360 IBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features Mid Bunk. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.